Assalamu alaikum. These are my two daughters, Aifa and Shiza, and they're here to show you what they got for their graduation gift and birthday gift. Now you have to figure out whose birthday and whose graduation it is. So they got this, and now, this is a gift from their Khala, Aisha Khala. So they are very thankful to her, and they're going to show. They're going to show their merchandise one by one. So, starting with Ifa.
Hello.
What is the merchandise first? It's a Harry Potter theme.
Yes, everything is Gryffindor and Harry Potter theme that we got.
They both believe that they're Gryffindor.
I believe I'm Slytherin.
Confession time.
Okay, so the first item that we have is this wonderful little bag. It has really long straps. I love the color and I love the size. And I really like bags of this style.
It's like a backpack type.
It's a backpack. Mini backpack. Very spacious. Very nice.
Thank you.
Absolutely love. This is one of my favorite items. I'll show you the favorite item I have.
Oh, nice.
This wonderful Gryffindor book.
It's ulta. Ulta hai kya?
No,
Nahi seedha. It's a diary. Wow.
Very nice. And I love the pages inside. They're all blank and they're not lined, but the texture, it looks like it's an old book. So if you use it correctly, it'll look like it's an old journal.
Very good.
And I absolutely love that about this.
Now what is the Shizaka? One you will show, one Shiza will show. Or you want to go all the way? Okay, then go. Go, Ifa.
The next item that we have is this cute scrunchie. Shiza, tera bata. She has that on right now. She has a scrunchie and a clip, but as you can see, this is the scrunchie. Very, very cute. We use this all the time. So another wonderful item. Ooh, it's a small bag, and I love the color so much. Very spacious, very pretty. As you can see, this thing has almost a metallic feel to it. Another chain at the back. Beautiful bag. Really love this one as well.
You can use it for anything actually, for
yes,
jewelry, makeup, anything. Oh,
that's Hermione. It's from the first movie when they were on the chessboard. I don't know if you can see. There's a chessboard over there, and this it's just very cute. And Hermione is my favorite character out of them all, so it's perfect for me. Ooh, a sleeping mask, eye mask. Is that the right word for it? Sleeping eye mask.
I must blindfold.
Yes. Also known as a blindfold. So again, very soft, very pretty. Absolutely love this too. Ooh, I love this. Is just so cute to me. Platform 9 3/4. It's a small little diary journal. You can use it for little notes and things like that. This one is lined, unlike the previous one. And I just really like this very much because it's an iconic part of the movies, right? Next, this Harry Potter cap that we have. As you can see the logo very well.
Very nice.
It's very versatile thing to have. And this is so cute. You'll see this here. She's used it in a different way. It's a tick clip in a sense, but it's Hedwig, Harry's owl, and it's a very soft, good quality material as well. Love that too. And I like wearing socks during the winter. I get cold easily, so for me these socks are just perfect, and they're so good. Like they have the symbol and everything too. So another awesome item our aunt got. And finally, wrapping it up, we have this very, very sweet comb. Stylish, absolutely unique shape. Again, and you can see the symbol very well on this too. So absolutely love that. I'm very happy with all the things I've got for as a gift. Next, moving on to the lovely Shiza,
who's very shy.
Okay.
I'm not.
So the first thing I got is this sipper to drink water, obviously, and then I have this.
Show it properly, na, that zipper.
Okay, wait. I with this thingy too.
Straw in it.
Yeah, and then second thing is this headband. When I wash my face or do anything.
Sorting cap hai uske upar bane.
Kind of like that.
Very good.
And then another headband. It's Hedwig. It's so cute. I love this.
She can wear that when she's sleeping. It's supposed to cover.
It's
the
both.
eye-
It's
eyes.
both headband and.
Oh, it's both. Oh.
Yeah, you can use it as
Nice.
you like. And then this diary. It's the monster book of monsters from third part, right?
I am
Yeah,
not
third
sure. You know
part.
it better than I
Third
do.
part, and it's exactly like hers with blank pages. It's so good. One of my favorite items. And then it's a lunchbox. So should I open it?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, it's a lunchbox
अगर खोलेगी नहीं
I
तो
think
खाएगी
there
कैसे
is
with
spoons and fork and all. Okay.
Our Khala got us all useful items, things that she knows we
Yeah.
will use all the time.
And they like to.
Yeah,
Yeah, so we are very happy about that.
actually.
Thanks to Aisha Khala
And then this cap.
And Wasim Khalu.
and Wasim.
This
Yeah,
cap.
we have the
We
same
have
cap.
same cap.
Yeah.
And then wrapping up with no, not wrapping up. This fridge magnet. It's a fridge magnet, Hermione. And then again wrapping up with this brush. It's so good that I cannot even make my hair with it. I just don't feel like.
She does not like use it as a comb. She wants to keep
She
it
wants
as
to
it
keep
is.
it in a showcase.
Like a
and just
showpiece.
It
show
is
the
really
people.
very good actually.
It's very pretty. The emblem is very well.
Yeah.
You can see it very well.
So that's all.
And then the clip on your
yeah, clip and this
clip and the,
The
bows
bow.
that she has.
Yes. You can
bowl
see.
crunchy. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Take care. Allah Hafiz. Dua mein yaad rakhiye. See you soon. Bye.